What's up, my peeps? Good day to you. So today, Molly and I are going to do another installment of the amusement park series. So today, my son decided to roll with us, and we are going to go check out EPCOT. We've been to EPCOT many times already, but today they are doing like a wine and food festival. Starts today and it goes on until what would you say, like November? So we're gonna kick it off on the first day and kind of show you around, show you the food that we're gonna try. That's gonna be the big thing for me, at least, is trying all the samplings of the different foods from around the nations. Last year we did something similar where they had food from all over. I think it was actually a flower festival of some sort, but they also flower and food festival. This one's going to be pretty cool because it's the kind of into summer type of deal going into fall, and I think they're going to have a whole bunch of tasty treats. And I don't really care about the wine factor of it. I'm not a big drinker, and if I was to drink, wine is way down the list. So definitely going to partake of the food. The wine, possibly. We'll see.
We are at EPCOT today doing a family fun day.
All right, so we are in the parking lot of EPCOT. We're going to go in and check it out. Are we thinking of just walking, or are we going to take one of these trolleys? Trams. I got the wife. Let's see if we can get her the camera here. The wife and I, and then our son is in front of us. He doesn't care about being on camera. But beautiful day out. Some of these clouds look like they have some rain in them, but other than that, about 95 degrees. And this is the day of the opening day of the food and wine festival. So
we're gonna head over to the security line and then go into the park. This is my first year of our annual pass for Disney World, and I just love EPCOT. It's my favorite. We're gonna go get a soda. Everyone looks like they're under here trying to cool down. Time to refill our popcorn buckets. Do you want some popcorn? All right, hang on. Mexico, always a good place to start. Something's cooking up here.
Pretty good. How about yourself? You enjoy it. Thank you. What we got here? Already allergy? Okay. You got a third, right? Okay. Yeah. Okay. I got 2 chickens. Chicken?
Got some things to try from India. Let's take a look. I got potato and pea samosa. That does not have any dairy or anything, so that's going to be for me. And then we've got chicken tikka masala.
gonna get, son? Nachos in Italy. Not gonna lie, they sound delicious, but I'm going to just take a sample off of his plate, and I'm holding out for something else. Not sure what. What a beautiful day out. It is hot as hell, though. Alright, so we're waiting on our son to get some nachos from Italy. Should be interesting to try. It's really warm, so we came over to a nice shady spot, and the lines are hella long, so we're gonna try and stay cool as much as possible.
Italian nachos. All right. Yeah, who needs a fork when you got some chips? Finished with Italy, and we're gonna see what's next. Definitely a nice view. That's so fun. The fry basket. Yum. I mean, I don't know. I'm okay. Thought it was hot at Animal Kingdom. This is a whole new level.
Alright, so we're going through the Americas, and I was hoping that there would be like some barbecue as far as the street food. There was a barbecue restaurant back there, but I was hoping there'd be a little side restaurant here with like pulled pork sandwiches or something, but no such luck. Beautiful outside, and I'm going to keep walking until I find that treat that I can't live without.
Las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del cubo. Y cuida a los pequeñitos. Gracias.
It's the middle of the day, so we're inside somewhere trying to beat the heat a little bit. We were gonna do the Chevy test track, but it looks like it's closed right now. Got a rice bowl. What did you get? Pork cider. That is Spam on the rice bowl. Looks yummy.
So we're just passing through around the world here, and trying to see if there's anything else that we could get to eat, but I haven't really seen that thing that just jumps out at me. We've had a few snacks here and there, but we're still searching.
Came inside to cool down and check out the inside. Looks like a market.
We're getting ready to go on Spaceship Earth. Kind of a cheesy ride, but we like it. We like to go on here and relax when it's really hot. It is starting to cool down a little bit, but I think this is the last thing we're going to do today. Alright, it's starting to get late. The park closes in an hour, so we're going to call it. We're going to go find dinner somewhere. We did eat a bunch of snacks and stuff here, but not a full meal, and we do have a couple hour drive until we get home. So we're going to stop somewhere, grab a bite to eat, and take the trek home. All right, so that is the Food and Wine Festival. Really enjoyed checking it out, sampling some good food. Didn't have any wine, but that's okay. Now we're just going out to our car and we're going to head home. Hopefully we get to come back real soon and do this again, and we will take you next time.
Favorite part of the Food and Wine Festival? When we found shade and when the breeze came through. It was fun to try the different food, and I tried